I was an athlete, grew up, played college ball, played baseball, football, rugby, 7 years of rugby. My ankles were just killing me all the time, constant pain. Shoulder, had a torn partial tear of the rotator cuff and a torn labrum. Because I had only heard about stem cell therapy 2 days before I canceled my surgery. And when you actually sit and look at it, research it, meet the people involved and know that you're in good hands. Like I said, I've always been, let's go, let's just do it. And so I did. To the point now where I have no problems walking, golfing. Pain in my ankles is almost non-existent. The mobility I have in my shoulder, prior to the therapy, this was as far as I could do this fine. I guess with the rotator and everything, you can't go this way. And I would be stopped right here. Well, now I've got all that flexibility back. It has been incredible success for me.